Hi, good morning, Bhaktavachalam. Today we are going to see a top benefits of a hot water drinking regarding a warm water drinking. Welcome all. Such give a few minutes to hear this benefit methods and techniques and what are the benefits in drinking of warm water. Thank you. So in the introduction, what they are telling, it will the warm water can improve the digestion and relieve the congestion and even make you feel more relaxed. Yes, of course. To a normal digestion without the constipation relevant, if you want a normal digestion and a easy digestion means you have to take a warm water and it will take out the congestions in the digestive system. So these are the benefits of drinking the warm water. And apart from that, this warm water will relieve your toxins in the digestive tract. And the warm water can be drink after intake the cold water in the first time in the early morning. When you wake up, so you have to take a cold water in the early morning first time, and after the whole day that you can take a warm water, that will good for your health. So without food also we can live for 3 weeks, but without a water hardly we can move 1 week a human being. So water is a crucial part of our life. Here, for the weight loss, the important point, when we are drinking the hot water, the body temperature will be equalized. The body temperature will reduce inner side. Hence, the metabolism will get activates. So, what they are telling, drinking hot water wakes your body temperature control system up. As your body compensate for the warm temperature of a water, bringing your internal temperature down, your metabolism is activated. The sudden intake of hot water will helps to contract your intestine and clear out all of your waste products that are bloating your body. So dread water weight. So this will helps to in the major part of weight loss. So if wastages in the body means it is very dangerous to the future of your health condition. So difference between the warm and the hot water, you have to understand that the warm water intaking is good for teeth because it will help teeth the nerves which is included in the teeth path, so it will be easily restorations and easily absorbed. So as before I said that how is your the condition and climates it surrounded you, as per that you has to take the warm water according to the temperature. So whatever maybe, if it is cold, if you are taking heavy minus temperature water or a heavy the hot water inside to the teeth means it will damage to the teeth and its surrounding nerves, so careful of it. A very warm water in the morning it helps to take out the toxins in the digestive tract, and it's very needful thing that every morning you have to that by taking out the food what are secreted in its digestive system, you has to take out all of so you can avoid lot of issues from the health conditions. So drink the warm water in the early morning. This is the extreme level point that if you're drinking the cold water before a meal or after a meal, the intaking of the oil will convert into the fat that will make to storage inside the digestive system. So for the easy digestion in the morning as well as a meal after it to fat convert less things happen means you have to take a warm water. It will helps to reduce the untoxins and from the digestive tract, and as well as it will help for the reduce the fat storage in the body. Drinking a hot water, see, intaking the hot water, it will increase your sweating process. Hence, the body is sweating means exactly the toxins is going out. If the sweating process is not happens, if your toxins is not happens, means it will leads to a body weight increasing. Has to understand that additionally that lemon adding and salt adding and drinking the warm water will helps to easily digestion, because the basic thing in the lemon, the citric acid is available, and the warm water, it will additionally helps to take out the all the toxins. So if you are not able to take a lemon juice, you can try for the green tea. So it will reduce the free radical activity in your body. So here the warm water is helping to increase the metabolism, because metabolism activation is a very important, which helps for the all process in the organs inside. So drinking warm water suppress the overeating and hydrated for the long time too. The segregation, when you are eating more, means it will very hard to digest, and it will take a more time to digest parts in your stomach. And the thing is what kind of food we are taking, and there is a consumption time, it will take easily digestion. If you are taking a non-veg means it will take for a long period, and the difference is there. So if you are taking a vegetarian, it will take a reduce, it will take a less time of to digestion. So hence what they are saying, when you are eaten more and the calories are taking to more to work on it digestion system, to avoid that, they are saying to drink the warm water, it will helps for you. So the out of look is very important for human being, how we are maintaining our physical view and face view, how clean a face, it will redemption, the outlook is very very important for the future forever. So drinking the hot water naturally increases your metabolism, and it will innerly it will helping to take out the wrinkles, so from the faces and sometimes from the body. And drinking warm water can keep your young always forever. So try to drink the more warm water. See, in the previous days, the people who lived, they live their lives in a decent way, and they drink the water more, and they will eat in time, and they won't take unwanted snacks and the undigestible foods. They work more, the physical activity is more, but nowadays it's reduced. So hence, for especially for women's, for premature aging, it's a biggest problem for girls. So this to avoid means you has to take the toxins from the body. So the unwanted foods nowadays, they are taking an untimed sleep and untimed eating food, and the way which they are living their life in day to day, it's very different. And how they are maintaining the toxins, and how they are maintaining the physical capacity and mental capacity, and this all the things will helps to premature aging, and in the all the aspects. So drinking the hot water, it will helps to take out the all the toxins from the blood circulation, and it will stay you young for the long time, and you can avoid the premature aging. So 90% of body is carrying the water. That consuming the hot water will increase your blood flow, and it will easily deliver the nutrients, and it will get out from the acidic waste of the body. So intake the water and be happy, be enjoy your day. Thank you.